Hi guys, thanks for visiting. Today I would like to introduce to you a pack of software. It can solve all your problems with your Mercedes. And at the end of the video, I will review to you a special function. That special function can save you a lot of money and time. Okay, let's start it. As you can see on the screen, this is on the software. It's too much, right? Don't worry, I will focus on guiding you. The most important software is right here. It serves the most important functions such as diagnostic, coding, programming, looking up path location, looking up circuit diagram, and everything you want. And this software supporting the main software is not too important, so I will leave it aside. Firstly, I will come the diagnostic software. It is a set of 6 software. It including Sentry Car, Sentry Truck, DAF, and SST Win. The difference here is the car model it can support. With Sentry, it will support your car model from 2010 to now. For older model from 2000 to 2010, you will have to use DAF. And for old model, after 2000, you must use SST Win. With this 6 software, you can download and have specific test plan. You can also have an adaptation and data stream on your vehicle. However, to get into the control unit more deeply, you must use another set of software, which I will introduce shortly. And the answer are DTS Monaco and Vediamo. True software will help you handle the most difficult job. You can pin map code. You can flat file ECU. The basic difference between the two software are the same diagnostic software. With DTS Monaco, you can use it for all different car models. As for Vediamo, you will only support it up to the model 2017. But Vediamo is more powerful in the work related to ECM. Finally, the third software will help you in the lookup, include with ASA, Starfighter, and EPC. With ASA, you can look up all information about repair, diagnostic, circuit diagram, basic data, and organization. However, in my opinion, this software is quite academic and more suitable for research. And the software I'm introduced below will help you more useful than Starfighter. It will help you look up the path location. It's very detailed and have clear illustration. It would really useful for you in repair. And it's very easy to use. However, if you want to know more information, use with ASA please. And the final software is EPC, which also help you to look up path. However, it will tell you exact path number to help you make sure you can replace the correct path you need. And the secret I want to reveal to you is the software includes SysKey software. It can help you to access to control unit and help you replace parts and retrofit whenever you want. That sounds great, right?
Okay, I just introduced to you all the software help you repair your Mercedes. And the good news that I will make video tutorial how to use all the software mentioned above. And I named the playlist Easy Fix, Easy Life. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you feel this video useful, share it with your friend. Thank you and goodbye.